Yo, what's up YouTube? Young Flux back for another video. Today I got something a bit different. I'm going to be unboxing something here. So it was my birthday. Beautiful girlfriend over here got me an amazing gift. I've been wanting some of these for a long time. Basically, I'm going to be opening up some, what are they called? The Audio-Technica M50s. Alright, let's crack these open. Boom. The box is weird. Look, the box is like two boxes taped together or something. Alright, let's see what these look like. I got like the purple color on there. They look pretty rare. There's only like one pair left or something, so we got them. They look sick in the box. Yeah, so the Audio-Technica ATH-M50x, and they look like this in the box. Boom, fucking sick. Hell yes. Alright. I needed these so I'd be able to mix my later songs. I've been mixing all my songs recently, no joke, on a pair of like Apple earbuds. And so that's probably why most of my mixes sound like shit. Alright, here's the inside of the box. Alright, the packaging inside's really nice. It's all in like leather cases and stuff. If you look at this, it's all in like a leather pouch. I think I opened up the box backwards, to be honest. Because here's the front. That's what they look like. Purple color's definitely like metallic and shiny. It's sick. Alright, let's get them out of here. Boom. Oh, it's sick. They got like flexible in every direction. Boom, boom. Alright, let's comfort test these bad boys. Alright, left, right. There we go. Should probably take my toque off. Oh yeah. Those are sick. They're definitely like noise canceling. Like as soon as I put them on, I can't hear anything outside. Like earmuffs and headphones in one. Hell yes. Alright. These are our cables. Looks like we got just like an XLR cable and a really long aux cord. Looks like it's probably like 10-meter long aux cord or so. What else do we got in the box? Another aux cord. This one looks a bit shorter. Probably like a 6-meter one or something. And here's like the leather pouch I was talking about. This would be like the carrying case so you can bring them around. Got all your packaging information and product info on there. Boom. But yeah, here's one last look at them, guys. They look fucking sick. I'm gonna test them out. I'll probably do like a review on them. It might be a couple months from now until I get some time to like really test them out on mixing and, you know, just listening to some music and everything. But thanks for watching. I hope you guys thought these are sick as fuck. I'll let you know if they're worth getting. Guarantee they are, though. I read a lot of good reviews on them and they look sick as fuck. I can't wait to try them out. Thanks again to my girlfriend for getting these for me. She's lit. She's over there being cute. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Peace out. Have a good rest of the day. Please remember to like and subscribe to the video. If you like this type of video, let me know and I'll do some more like unboxing in the future. Peace.